Hello children, welcome to maths class. This video is the continuation of exercise 2.4. We start with question number 8. Question is here: without actual division, prove that x4 to the plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3 is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. So, when we see the situation here, exactly divisible we need to prove. That means, when the remainder comes 0, we will be able to say the polynomial is divisible by another polynomial. Okay, that means remainder we need to find. But one difference we find in this divisor, in this polynomial, this is not a binomial. Before this question, as many questions you have come across, you have seen that the divisor was binomial in every question, but here it is different, it is a trinomial. So, what we will do? We will first factorize this divisor, and we know every trinomial is a product of two binomial. Once more, what is that? Every trinomial is a product of two binomial. That means, when we multiply two binomial, we get trinomial. So, let us see, when we factorize this divisor gx, that is polynomial px, we need to factorize it, and then we will see what to do. We write down, we start with this, px is given x to the power 4, we read it x4 also, 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3, this is the dividend, and divisor is gx x square plus 2x minus 3. So, little work is here first. Starting work we will do with divisor here. It is a trinomial, we know by splitting the middle term we can factorize it. The rule of middle term factorization is what? First term coefficient into last term. So, 1 3, 1 into 3 3, factors of 3 will be what? Factors of 3 will be 1 and 3 only. So, we can factorize to get to 3 minus 1. So, very simple work it is. We can do directly 3x minus 1x minus 3. Hope you have understood it. Splitting is done. 3x minus 1x. From where these 2 came? From that factors. Let us take common, x common, x plus 3. Minus 1 and 3, we can take common 1, minus also will be there, and you know when this minus comes, next sign will change, x, it will become plus 3. And what we get here? X plus 3, once more x plus 3 is common, and remaining in first place x minus 1. So, this trinomial is the product of these two binomial. Now, what we will do? Divisor has two parts. So, one after another we will divide this polynomial by each of the divisor. We have two factors in divisor, x plus 3, x minus 1. With any one we can start the work. So, first one is x plus 3. Sometime if we write minus 1x here, 3x here, it will come x minus 1 into x plus 3, it does not matter, x plus 3 into x minus 1 or x minus 1 into x plus 3. So, we will do now when px is divided by, the first factor, that is x plus 3. So, when we divide, we will get remainder. We are dealing with remainder only, you are knowing remainder theorem, factor theorems in this exercise. So, when px is divided by x plus 3, we will use as 0 p minus 3. Where we will use? In the polynomial, what is given as dividend. So, x4, that is minus 3 to the power 4 plus 2x cube, 2 into minus 3 cube minus 2x square. So, minus 2 into minus 3 square plus 2x. So, 2 into minus 3 minus 3. So, we have used this 0 in the polynomial. Now, we will simplify it. Let us see that work. Minus 3 to the power 4, what will be? Minus will change into plus. 3 to the power 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So, we get 81. Then it is plus 2 into minus 3 cube, odd number is power. So, minus will remain and 3 cube is 27. These both are in into. So, we put them inside the bracket, and next is minus 2 into minus 3 square will be 9 plus minus 3 2s are 6 minus 3. We are finding the remainder 81 plus minus minus 54 minus 18 minus 6 minus 3. Only 81 is positive here. Rest 54, 18, 6, 3 all are negative. Same sign term, what we do? Same sign terms are added. Sign remains same. All negative sign they have, minus will remain and we will add them. 4, 8, 12, 6, 18, 3, 21, 5, 2, 7, 1, 8. 81 minus 81 we get remainder. What is that remainder? 0. That means when the polynomial is divided by the first factor of that divisor, first factor of the divisor x plus 3, remainder came 0. Now, still second factor is there to do the work. So, let us write now when the polynomial px, when px is divided by the another factor is what? X minus 1. So, factor is x minus 1, 0 we will use, p plus 1, where we will use in the polynomial. What is that polynomial? x4, that means 1 to the power 4 plus 2x cube, 2 into 1 cube minus 2x square, 2 into 1 square plus 2x, 2 into 1, these 2 are in into minus 3, 1 to the power 4, 1, 2 into 1 cube, 1 cube 1 into 2, 2, it is minus 2 into 1 square 1. So, 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2 and minus 3. We see plus 2 minus 2, it became 0. We get here 2 1 3 minus 3, remainder is here also 0. So, trinomial has that trinomial x square plus 2x minus 3 had two factors. From both factors we found the remainder 0 when we divided the polynomial. That means surely this trinomial is the factor of the polynomial. So, we will be able to write therefore, gx, what is the question? Find without actual division, prove that this is exactly divisible. So, we will write therefore, px is exactly divisible by gx, divisible by gx, proved. So, simple work is there, only starting we need to keep in mind trinomial was little different because we need binomial as what to say divisor. So, trinomial we factorize and then we completed the work very easily. Let us go now in question number 9. Question number 9 we have here, if x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6, then factorize it. Are you getting idea what to do in this question? Question itself is telling you x plus 1 is a factor. Remind yourself question number 5 what you did. There were also cubic polynomial, but this factor was not given. So, we were going for constant term factors and then find one factor. After finding one factor of the polynomial like this, we used to write a statement and then go for division, but here we have already factor, no need to search the factor of constant term and get one factor, it is there. So, straight what we will do? We will go for second part. What was the second part of factorization of cubic polynomial? Division, and after division we will go again for splitting the middle term process. So, work is little less in this question. Similar work as we have done in 5, only the first part we do not need to do because factor is given already. So, let us start. Given x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor of, we give the name of the polynomial, instead of writing full polynomial we write just px, that polynomial, and then we go for dividing. Division we know already, I hope you have learnt. X cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6. Whenever you look at the division, what comes to your mind first? To get the quotient we need to divide x cube by x, the first term of dividend and divisor. We get x, 1x cancel, x square will be the quotient for the first step, this will be x square. Now, multiply x into x square, we get x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square, 1x square also we can write. Changing the sign, both were positive, so both negative became x cube minus x cube 1. 2x square minus 1x square, 1 negative 1 positive, subtract and sign of bigger number. So, it will be 1x square minus 5x comes here and then 1x square divided by x. So, surely 1x cancel, we get what? 1x, we can write x or 1x, both are same. Multiply 1x into 1x, 1x square plus 1 into x, it will be minus, this also will be minus. So, 1x square minus 1x square 0. We get what here? Always we need to read the terms, what are there? Minus 5 minus 1, same sign terms are added. So, minus 5 minus 1, 6, sign also will remain same. Negative terms we are adding, sign negative, x minus 6, minus 6x divided by x, we get x cancel minus 6. So, minus 6 into x minus 6x plus minus minus 6 ones are 6, minus will change into plus, minus 6x plus 6x 0 minus 6 plus 6 0, that is the meaning of x plus 1 is a factor. When we divided, we got the remainder 0. Then we will go in that relationship. What was that? Px equal to gx into qx plus rx. Last part of this factorization of polynomial. So, now we go for Px equal to divisor gx into qx quotient plus remainder is rx. Gx is x plus 1, qx x square plus 1x minus 6 and rx you know 0 we just write and then we leave that, no nothing to use for 0. 1 into 6, 6 factor 1 into 6, 2 into 3, we need middle term 1. So, x square, what shall we do to get 1? 3 minus 2. So, 3x minus 2x minus 6. We get then x plus 1, taking common from first two term x, x plus 3, minus 2 ones are minus 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. So, minus 2 common, next sign is changing, you know already these things, and then we get x plus 1, x plus 3 again common, and remaining in first and second place x minus 2. So, these are the 3 factors. We are reaching the end of exercise, question number 10. Let us see now. Question number 10 now we have. Without actual division, prove that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial 3x cube minus 13x square plus 8x plus 12. Without actual division. In last question, it was clearly given this is factor of that polynomial, but here not said like that. Here is what? Prove that it will be a factor. So, we need to understand the question. Solution will not be that much difficult if we have understood the question properly. Last question, I was trying to show you the similarity with question number 5 of your exercise. And now this question and last question, that 9 number. In 9 number it is a factor of that polynomial, factorize it completely or find the factors. And here prove this is a factor, then factorize. So, to prove, how we will prove? Something is a factor of other when the remainder is 0. So, you see this whole exercise, the solution is around that property. What is that property? Remainder theorem. So, we will start our work with that. We start how? To prove x minus 2 is a factor of px, we are going to find the remainder. Px is given 3x cube polynomial minus 13x square plus 8x plus 12, and divisor is, what is that divisor? X minus 2. So, we will use this factor as 0 in the polynomial P2. Use this value in the polynomial 3 into 2 cube minus 13 into 2 square plus 8 into 2, and last is plus 12, it is plus. So, 3 2 cube is 8, these 2 are in into, 13 2 square is 4, these 2 are also in into, so we use bracket here, 8 2s are 16 plus 12. We get here 8 3s are 24, simple work it is 52, 13 4s are 16 plus 12. What we see? These 4 numbers, 3 are positive, 24, 16 and 12. So, same sign terms are added, 24 and 16, 40 plus 12, 40 plus 12 52, and negative number is minus 52. What we get? 0. So, remainder is 0. So, Gx is a factor of Px. We proved. We can write the statement. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of Px. And after giving the proof, we can write here proved. We will go for, because question was telling if it is factor, then prove that it is a factor and then factorize it completely. So, now this question came like last question number 9. In the question number 9, it was given, not it was given, like this factor was given for that polynomial, and here we reached at that step, and now we are going to factorize by division and then splitting the middle term, that using relationship x minus 2 3x cube minus 13x square plus 8x plus 12. Let us divide 3x cube divide by x. We get x square. So, 3x square it will be 3x square into x, 3x cube minus 3 2s are 6 x square, sign changing here, plus 3x cube minus 3x cube became 0, and minus 13 plus 6 negative 1 positive. So, subtract, it will be 7 x square and sign of bigger number minus 7. Then we bring one term at this step, 8x, division again the first term, and first term we look at minus 7x square divide by x, 1x will be cancelled. So, remaining here what? Minus 7x, this is quotient. After getting quotient, just repeat the work, we multiply and write down the below this, 7 3s are, no, x it is, minus 7 into x, minus 7 x into x square, minus 2 into minus 7, minus plus 14 x, this will be minus 7x square plus 7 square 0 and 8 minus 14, again subtraction, but sign of bigger number. 14 minus 8 6, minus is bigger term 14. Okay. So, minus 6x and then we get 12 here. Minus 6x divided by x, what will be? X will be cancelled. You can use something what you can do orally, no need to go for rough work all the time. We are able to do in our mind itself this work, minus 6 by x, minus 6x by x cancel minus 6. So, no need to show in rough. Rough work is only what we cannot do in our mind, we will get help from the rough work. Okay, so it is minus 6 into x. So, we will get minus 6x minus plus 6 2s are 12. It will be minus and this will change into plus 6x minus 6x plus 12. So, we have got remainder is 0. We will go for relationship. What is that? Px is equal to gx divisor into quotient plus remainder. Gx is x minus 2, qx is 3x square minus 7x minus 6 and remainder is 0. So, now x minus 2 and middle term factorization will go 3 is the coefficient of first term and last term is 6. So, 6 3s are 3 into 6 we will get what? 18, and factors of 18 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6 by 4 5 no, again 6 into 3. So, all the factors we have got. Middle term we need to get 7 we will get from 9 and 2. So, what we will do? 3x square minus 9 minus 2 x minus 6. So, 9 minus 2 7, minus is already here, minus 7 we will get. X minus 2 3x square minus 9 into x minus 9x minus plus 2 into x minus 6. X minus 2, what we will take common from these two? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, x square x, remaining here only x minus 3 3s are 9. So, 3 remains here, x is out, 2 3s are 6. So, 2 x remains and in place of 6 2 3s are 6, 3 remains, and get here x minus 2, again x minus 3 is common and 3x plus 2 is remaining here. So, we have found the factors, we have factorized the polynomial, and we are now, this exercise 2.4 is over. In next video I will be bringing for you the solution for exercise 2.5, but before that in this video itself I want to tell you, please go through the identities and memorize it, do some writing practice, keep all that identities to be used in exercise 2.5. So, when I explain you will know and understand it well. See you in next video, hope you are learning it well.